gonna do another video real quick. Me and my best friend went to Ulta today. We have to drive out of town to go to Ulta because we are a small town. Anyway, she was telling me about this eyebrow enhancing, and I usually have to draw in my eyebrows with this stuff I got at Walmart. It's like a microblading pen. Here it is. I use this. It's upside down. Oh my gosh. There we go. Microblading pen. But this is supposed to, within 8 weeks, it is called RapidBrow Eyebrow Enhancing Serum. Use it in the morning, use it at night, and in 8 weeks you're supposed to see some sort of big difference of filler. So I just open this up, and it looks like this. This is 3 milliliters. Let's see if I need to shake it or anything. Yo, glasses out here. Directions, twice a day. The brow area should be completely clean of any makeup or eye creams. Allow serum to dry before applying other face products. So, apply onto the full length of the brow. Okay. So, we're going to, it looks like mascara to me, and there is plastic on there. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Wasn't expecting that, but it's just a serum, so I'm going to put it right here where I usually put, for sure, but it says the whole eyebrow, so I'm just going to go down like that. Did y'all see that? And this stuff was pretty pricey. It was like $39 without tax. And that's pretty pricey to me. So it better work. I'm feeling wetness, so I know I'm getting it on there. But I'm really concentrating right here on the beginning of my brow, because that's where it looks bald to me. Okay. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you like me. Alright. Now I think I'm gonna stop my videos and go edit them and put them up on YouTube for you guys. Alright. Thank you. Have a good night.